Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hi everyone, welcome to Ask K-Jin. My name is K-Jin. 안녕하세요, K-Jin입니다. In this series, I'll answer your Korean questions. So if you have any questions, please let me know by clicking the link in the description. Or you can go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. So ask me any questions. Today, I picked questions related to Korean synonyms. Here's the first question. What's the difference between 정말 and 진짜? Basically, both of them means the same. Really. For example, I said, 어제 방탄소년단을 만났어. I met BTS yesterday. 어제 방탄소년단을 만났어. And my friend said, really? 정말? Or 진짜? Here, it means exactly the same. Really? 정말? 진짜? So you can use any of them. But personally, I use 진짜 more often. It depends on the person, but around me, my friends, my family, and me, we use 진짜 slightly more often. And please be careful, there are some differences too. What are they? First, 정말 means like truly, really, truly. And 진짜 means like genuinely or really, genuinely, really. So there are some differences in the nuance. And second, these words can be used as a noun, but 진짜 can be used this way. For example, I gave you gold ring, 금반지. And you can ask me, 이거 진짜야? 이거 진짜야? Is it authentic? Is it real gold? 이거 진짜야? And here, I cannot use 정말. Only I can use 진짜. So it means like authentic. And 정말 here, it doesn't make sense. 정말 can mean like a fact. So is it a fact? It doesn't make sense, right? Is it authentic? 진짜야? So is it real? Is it authentic? Is it real gold? 진짜 can use this way. Here's the second question. What is the difference between 일 and 하나? As you can see here, both of them means one. 일 and 하나. But 일 is oriented from the Chinese characters. So we call this kind of numbering system as Sino-Korean number. And Hana is the pure Korean number or native Korean number. So we call it as pure Korean number or native Korean number. So these are oriented differently. And we also use these differently. How? For example, 일 can be used for the phone number or money. For example, like $2 or 1,000 won. We use this Chinese Korean number or Sino-Korean number, 1, 2, 3, 4, this system. And for 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, these are native Korean numbers. And we use this numbering system when we count something. For example, three bears. Like 곰 세 마리. 세 is from the pure Korean number, which is 셋, three. 곰 세 마리. So, unfortunately, yes, in Korea, we have two kinds of numbering system, and you have to learn both of them. But if you are absolute beginner and you haven't learned the Korean number, then start from this Chinese Korean number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because first, it's simpler, and second, is used more commonly. So use this first, learn this first, and then learn the native Korean number. So learn both numbers anyway in the future. Here's the last question. What's the difference between 뭐 and 무슨? 뭐 and 무슨? Both of them means what, but they are different. 뭐 is pronoun. Yes, so you can use it this way. What do you like? What is your favorite movie? What are you doing? So what can be used alone. 뭐 can be used alone like this. 뭐 뭐. But 무슨 is a determiner, so you cannot use it alone. You always need a noun after 무슨. For example, 무슨 영화 좋아해? What movie do you like? 무슨 책 읽어? What book are you reading? So 무슨 what? 영화 movie. So 무슨 영화 means what movie? 좋아해? Do you like? So what movie do you like? And 무슨 what? 책 book 읽어 are you reading? So what book are you reading? So please remember that you cannot use 무슨 alone. You always need a noun after 무슨. Here's a tip. 뭐 is actually the same as mu-eot. Both of them means what. But when we speak, we use 뭐 more often. And 무슨 is same as one. Yes, as you can probably guess, this one is used when we speak, but it sounds very, very, very informal. So when we speak, you can use both. 무슨 or one is okay, but I think it's better to use 무슨 here. But please remember, both of them are the same. That's it for this lesson. Today, I answered 3 questions about topics related to Korean synonyms. If you have any other questions, click the link in the description or go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. Thanks for watching. I'm K-Jin and I'll see you on koreanclass101.com. 다음 시간에 봐요.